Good morning, students. Students, in this video lecture, we will solve these two numerical problems of the chapter of the topic error in measurement. The first numerical problem you are seeing here is the external and internal diameters of a hollow cylinder measured by a vernier calipers are recorded as this one centimeter and this one centimeter. Compute the thickness of the wire with error limits. So we would solve this. I am going to figure out this is a hollow cylinder. You are seeing that external and internal diameters. So this is the external diameter. We can say assume capital D1, and this one is internal diameter D2. We have given D1 and D2 measurement. And we have to find thickness. What is the thickness? Thickness is this one. This one is thickness. This one. This is the thickness. So we have to find this value. So what we would do? This is the center. And if we would find out this one, which is radius, and which radius? External radius from center to external point on the surface, so it would be R1 external, and this one is internal radius R2. And if we find out R1 and R2, and for finding the thickness, which is T equal to what? It is the R1 minus R2. So it would be thickness R1 minus R2, but the measurement is in terms of D1 and D2. So in the place of R1, T equal to D1 by 2, R1 is what? Diameter का half, it is D1 by 2, minus R2 is what? Diameter का half, it is again D2 by 2. So it is D1 by 2 minus D2 by 2. So take LCM, it would be D1 minus D2 by 2. So this is the relation which we would use in this numerical problem for finding the thickness. I think you have cleared. Now we would just put the value and solve the numericals. So what is the relation? Thickness T equal to D1 minus D2 upon 2. This value you are seeing here, it is D1, this is delta D1, this is D2, and this one is delta D2. So put all these values here. First of all, D1, this is 5.32 minus D2, this is 4.98 upon 2. 5.32 minus 4.98 upon 2, it would be 4.34 divided by 2, it would be 0.17 centimeter. So the value of T is 0.17 centimeter. Now we will find error. So for finding the error, we know that we have this one relation, and this relation is in terms of quantity being, which is the quantity which is measured value is being subtracted. So error is in terms of which error? Mean absolute error. So it is delta T plus minus equal to plus minus delta D1 plus minus delta D2. So we have to put delta D1 and delta D2. So delta T I am writing there. So delta T plus minus equal to plus minus common delta D1 plus delta D2 maximum. So plus minus, what is delta D1? It is 0.01, plus it is 0.01, so it would be 0.02 centimeter. So this is the value of delta t. So our final answer, it would be like this, t plus minus delta t. So what is the value of t? It is 0.7 you are seeing, plus minus 0.02 centimeter. So this is the answer, 0.17 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. Now we solve the second numerical problem. So what is the second numerical problem, students? The measured value of mass, length, breadth and thickness of a rectangular block are. This is mass m, this is length l, this is breadth b, and this is thickness t. So find the maximum percentage error in measurement of density. So we have formula of density is equal to mass upon volume. The formula of density is equal to mass upon volume, and the formula for volume is what? L into d into height, which is thickness, so it is t, and into b to t. So we have to find error, percentage error in the L. We are seeing that these all are measured value, and the relation in between them is multiplication and division, and in case of multiplication and division, error is in terms of what? Relative error or percentage error. So it is delta t upon d into 100 equal to delta m upon m into 100 plus delta l upon l into 100 plus delta b upon b into 100 plus delta t upon t into 100. So this is the equation number A, and we have to find the percentage error d, which is this, by this relation, and we have needed delta l, delta l, delta b and delta t, and we have not given delta l, but here you are seeing that it is up to one place of decimal. It means the least count error for this is delta m equal to 0.1. From here delta l equal to 0.01. It is up to two decimal place again, 0.01. This is delta b and this is delta t equal to 0.01. So all the values which we have needed in this numerical, in this equation, have given to us. So just put the values and solve the numerical. So equal to delta m. What is delta m? 0.1. 0.1 upon 39.3 into 100 plus delta l is 0.01. 0.01 upon l. L is 5.12. 5.12 into 100 plus delta b is 0.01. 0.01 upon 2.56. 2.56 into 100 plus delta t 0.01 upon 0.37 into 100. So we have to solve this one. For finding the delta t upon d, there is delta t upon d into 100. Point cancel out. This is again cancel out. This is again cancel out. So it would be 100 upon 393 plus 100 upon 512 plus 100 upon 256. 100 upon 256 plus it is 100 upon 37. So 100 upon 393, and this is 100.0. Two. 3 to the 6. 2 5, 15, 1, 175.0, 4. So it is 0.254. So this value is 0.254%. Now the second value, this one, we can LCM 512. This is 100. This is 1. So it would be, this is 512 100 plus 2 200. So it would be 300 divided by 512. 300 upon 512. So 512, this is 300.0, not 6 times, it will be 5 times. Eight times. 0.585. So the answer of this one is 0.585. Now 3700. 2 times. 7. 0. 2.702. 2.702. Just add them. 2.702, 0.585, 0.254. 3.541. 2 places of decimal, so it would be 3.54%. So this is our answer of this numerical problem. Thank you, students.